In the relentless pursuit of electric vehicle dominance, innovation in battery technology is paramount. For years, Tesla has been at the forefront, pushing boundaries, and now, with its 4,680 battery cells and revolutionary structural pack, they're not just making cars, they're redefining the very foundation of EV engineering. This isn't just an incremental update, it's a leap forward designed to unlock unprecedented range, performance, and affordability. So, what exactly are these 4,680 cells? The name itself gives us a clue: 46 mm in diameter and 80 mm in height. These are significantly larger cylindrical cells compared to the 18,650 and 2,170 cells Tesla has traditionally used. This increased size is crucial, allowing for a fundamentally new internal architecture and a host of benefits that ripple through the entire vehicle design. To understand the significance of the 4680, we need to briefly look back. The 18,650 cells powered Tesla's early Roadsters and Model S/X, while the 2170s debuted with the Model 3 and Y, offering improved energy density. However, these traditional designs had inherent limitations, primarily related to heat management and current flow, which became more pronounced as cell size increased. Tesla needed a breakthrough to achieve its ambitious targets for cost reduction and performance. The most pivotal innovation within the 4680 cell is its tabless design. In conventional cylindrical batteries, current collectors, or tabs, are attached to the anode and cathode and protrude from the top and bottom. This design creates a long current path, leading to higher internal resistance and more heat generation. Tesla's tabless design, however, effectively removes these tabs by making the entire top and bottom surface of the electrode act as a current collector, dramatically shortening the path electrons must travel. This ingenious tabless architecture brings several substantial advantages. Firstly, with a much shorter current path, internal resistance is significantly reduced. Less resistance means less heat is generated during charging and discharging, allowing for faster charging speeds and higher continuous power output without compromising the battery's lifespan. This improved thermal performance also simplifies the battery pack's cooling system, saving weight and cost. Beyond the tabless design, Tesla is also working on integrating advanced silicon-based anode materials into the 4,680 cells. Silicon holds immense promise for vastly increasing energy density compared to traditional graphite anodes, as it can store significantly more lithium ions. While pure silicon anodes typically face challenges with expansion and contraction during cycling, Tesla's approach involves specific material science breakthroughs to stabilize silicon, leading to higher energy capacity and longer range for its vehicles. Another cornerstone of the 4,680 cells manufacturing process is the dry electrode coating technique, often referred to as dry battery electrode, or DB. Traditional battery electrode manufacturing involves mixing active materials with binders and solvents to create a slurry, which is then coated onto metal foils and dried. This drying process is energy-intensive and time-consuming. Tesla's dry coating process eliminates the need for solvents, instead directly binding the dry electrode materials to the current collectors. The dry electrode process offers incredible advantages in terms of manufacturing efficiency and environmental impact. By eliminating the solvent drying step, it drastically reduces the energy consumed during production, slashes factory footprint requirements, and significantly cuts down on manufacturing costs per kilowatt-hour. This method is a crucial component in Tesla's strategy to produce batteries at a scale and cost previously thought impossible. Perhaps the most radical departure with the 4,680 cells isn't just the cell itself, but how it's integrated into the vehicle, the structural battery pack. Instead of grouping cells into modules and then placing those modules into a separate pack housing, the 4,680 cells are directly integrated into the vehicle's chassis, forming a structural component. The cells, along with a specialized adhesive, become part of the car's physical structure, connecting the front and rear castings. This structural pack concept yields multiple benefits. By making the battery pack a load-bearing component, Tesla eliminates a significant amount of redundant material, leading to a substantial reduction in vehicle weight. This lighter design translates directly into improved efficiency, greater range, and better handling characteristics. Furthermore, the structural pack significantly increases the torsional rigidity of the vehicle, enhancing safety and overall driving dynamics. However, the structural pack concept isn't without its challenges. One of the primary concerns has been serviceability. With cells integrated directly into the structure, repairs to individual cells or modules become far more complex compared to traditional modular packs. Additionally, effective thermal management for a large structural battery pack requires sophisticated engineering to ensure optimal operating temperatures across all cells, particularly under high-performance conditions. Initial manufacturing ramp-up also presented significant hurdles for Tesla. To realize the full potential of 4,680 cells, massive-scale manufacturing is essential. Tesla has invested heavily in establishing dedicated production lines in its Gigafactories, notably at Giga Texas and Giga Berlin. These facilities are designed from the ground up to integrate the complex dry electrode process and assemble the structural packs with unprecedented speed and efficiency, aiming for terawatt-hour scale production capacity in the future. The cumulative impact of the 4,680 cells and the structural pack on Tesla vehicles is profound. With higher energy density, faster charging capabilities, and a lighter, more rigid vehicle structure, future Teslas equipped with this technology are poised to offer significantly longer ranges, enhanced acceleration, and superior overall performance. This innovation moves the entire EV industry closer to gasoline car parity, and eventually, superiority. Ultimately, these technological advancements are geared towards one overarching goal: reducing the cost per kilowatt-hour of battery production. By simplifying cell design with the tabless approach, streamlining manufacturing with dry electrodes, and optimizing vehicle integration with the structural pack, Tesla aims to drive down battery costs by a substantial margin. This cost reduction is vital for making electric vehicles more accessible and accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. Tesla's aggressive push with the 4,680 cells and structural pack has undoubtedly sent ripples through the automotive and battery industries. While Tesla is forging ahead, other manufacturers and battery producers are also exploring their own next-generation cell formats, solid-state batteries, and structural integration concepts. This competition is healthy, driving innovation across the board and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in electric mobility. The 4680 battery cell and structural pack represent more than just incremental improvements. They are foundational shifts in how electric vehicles are designed, built, and perform. They underscore Tesla's unwavering commitment to innovation, aiming to deliver not just better EVs, but a future where sustainable transportation is the norm. As these technologies continue to mature and scale, their influence will shape the electric vehicle landscape for years to come.